What's up, guys? Welcome back to Healthy Recipe. Today we're going to be making a chickpea curry. I make it really delicious with some plantain in it. I'm also using some fresh coriander from my yard. It's going to be absolutely delicious. So let's get right to work. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button below and the notification bell so every time we upload a new video you get notified for brand new healthy recipes. Alright, so let's go over the ingredients that we're using today. I have here 1 diced plantains, about 2 cups of plantains cut into about 1/2-inch pieces. About a 1/2 cup of diced bell pepper, sweet pepper. These are cumin seeds, they're whole seeds. I'll toast them before I add the aromatics. It gives a nice earthy flavor. A little bit of Thai chili. This is just ground up Thai chili flakes. Fresh garlic, about 4 or 5 cloves, minced. My homemade curry spice. You can use whatever curry you like. This is just some that I made myself. I ordered my own cardamom and a bunch of other ingredients, and I ground it in a spice mixer. This is coriander. It's got the flowers in it from my yard. I actually minced the little white flowers in there too. They have a ton of flavor. Really, really good. I have 2 cups of organic chickpeas. A 1/2 cup of organic tomato sauce. A 1/2 of red onion, about 1/2 cup of diced red onion. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to toast our cumin seeds in a pot, and then we're going to add our aromatics. Alright, so I have a small pot on medium heat, 275 degrees Fahrenheit, and to this I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of organic olive oil. Now I'm going to add in our onions. To that we're going to add our fresh garlic. And these are 2 major key components of making really good tasting food. You always want to saute some aromatics to give the base of flavor in many of these different dishes. Fresh garlic, onion, bell peppers. That gives the base of the flavor, the underlying flavor for everything that you cook. To use garlic powder and things like that is not going to be anywhere near as good tasting. So you got to sacrifice a little bit of extra work, to mince your own garlic and onion if you want to get great flavor. So I added the bell pepper in there. Now we're going to throw in our plantain. And I actually forgot to add the cumin seed and toast it, so I'm going to add it to a little corner here and toast it there. I'm adding about a teaspoon or so of it. Add a little bit of oil there. And it's going to toast really fast. I could already smell it. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix it in. And basically what I want is I want to get that plantain to cook a little bit on the outside and caramelize to seal in some of its flavor. Alright, so now to this, we're going to go ahead and add tomato sauce. I'm going to add only a little bit, not the whole thing. Now to get all of that flavor off the bottom of this pot, we're going to add water. And scrape that off, and that's going to bring that font that's at the bottom of the pan. And that has a lot of the flavor, little burnt bits that stick to the pan. That's got tremendous amount of flavor that would add to this broth. Now I'm going to go ahead and add our chickpeas in. About a half a tablespoon or so of our curry. And a little bit of the Thai chili. And one ingredient that I forgot to put in this is actually coconut milk. And we're going to put about a half cup of coconut milk. This is regular coconut milk. I'm going to go ahead and mix that in. So it's about a half a can. Now we're going to cook this for about 25 minutes or so to reduce and to thicken up and let those flavors marry together. The plantains will become nice and soft, and it'll break down into a delicious curry. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes and our curry is nice and thickened. The plantains are cooked, everything's cooked really well and married all of the flavors. So now what I'm going to do is just add a fresh coriander, mix it in. That's going to give us some beautiful fresh flavor. Now we're going to serve this over some organic brown rice. Alright, so here is our beautiful chickpea curry with plantains. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to add a little bit of salad to add some contrast of flavor. And this is just basically some cabbage and veggie salad. Got some beautiful sour flavor in there. I got some lime, a little bit of apple cider vinegar for health benefits with the mother, and some sea salt. So really simple. That's also got some cilantro in it for flavor, some red onions, garlic to get the allium group in there, all those anti-carcinogen properties of those foods. So basically that's the finished plate. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Remember to give us a thumbs up if you liked it. Share it so we can continue bringing healthy recipes to every home. And I'll see you really soon on the next one. Alright, so I'm ready to give this recipe a taste, let you know what it came out like. Piping hot right now. Wow. Super vibrant, not too spicy, just right. That curry adds a really creamy texture to it. Fresh cumin coming right through. So flavorful. Mixes perfect with the salad. Great over the rice. I love all the combination of flavors. Just another perfect, delicious, healthy recipe.